What's going on, people? It's your boy RS and I'm back again with another reaction video. Here we got Albania rap. Here we got FINEM and the song's called AVIONI, produced by ARLENN. Shout out to the producer every time. Let's get straight into this, my people. And also, if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comment section down below. It could be from anywhere, literally. I don't mind. But yeah, people, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I'm on a road to 1K. So let's hit that like button, let's hit that sub button, let's go crazy. Let's get into this. Hey, touring, yeah? Hey.
New music from Drake, and Witstar just shot her entire new video using only a smartphone. Joining us now is iHeartRadio Ambassador Patrick Langlois. Good morning, Patrick.
Good morning, Ben. Good to see you.
All right, so we are seeing what COVID-19 is doing.
Over 20,000 events have been canceled, costing the concert economy over there over $370 million.
With the COVID-19 thing, I feel like it's a big distraction for what's really going on in the world. No cap.
In ticketing and concert losses, but now the Western world is starting to get in on this trend. It all started at the end of January. American rock band Ambassadors were the first ones to.
Let's go crazy, man. Let's go crazy. Some movie settings, yeah? Hey. Got the whips there, yeah? Is this the song? Hey. Hey. Hey, I like this song. Like this one. Hey, already. Hey, listen. The bus down, yeah? Also, people, make sure you let me know what you're saying in the comment section down below, man. It'll be good if you guys just break it down for me. Mos provokoni kur s'keni takat. Femra e zezë lëkur amat. FINEM, zemra e vogël s'ka faje. Ajo po do me nejt maje. Ti nuk e ftyr sa do laje. Mos prit me qajta mo veten ti shaje. Hapet ketër dhe champanja. Mblidhen ke qok si piranja. Dyve qelia nuk ima veni. Shqipe zemë bëllaja. Nëjse jom tjetër ven, a jom tjetër planet. Mos i boni planet, se ju prishem planet. Shien e trupit si mango, ajo nuk rime ty lango. Ajo ka që vetëm gango, kush te kjero bailando. Femna e zese lëkurën mat. I'm not liking this one already. I like it, but you know what I'm saying? I'm thinking this guy's getting a haircut right now, man. I'm starting to just get jealous now. No cap. Ango, kush te quiero bailando. Femna e zese lëkurën mat. Mos bonim si trima se hani dajak. I need a trip. E ke provu ke shku komisariat. Dy vizat e koka, shko po I prap. Une jom lartë për ju shos si avioni. Ajo kapi nuk janë impresionin. Mos u shutit kur ty si Tysonin. Jo më përdo nëse ti unë odak. Mos provokoni kur s'keni takat. Femra e zezë lëkur amat. Qa do që boj unë e boj skandal. Malli që kom për ty e kom kristal. Dzita I vesh diamant. Tu jetu ondrë që zotin ka fal. Tjetër nivel, me neje tjetër nivel. Larg me milje, jena me nërë familje. Ka kalu ko, dhe nepse kur su bam. Në zemër ju kam, doni si rrugën që lam. Une jom lartë për ju shos si avioni. Ajo kapi nuk janë impresionin. Mos u shutit kur ty si Tysonin. This is crazy.
right there, man. This one here, I give it a good 10 out of 10. I like the way he was coming in. It was very versatile. I like the way he just, you know what I mean? The visuals was very creative. I like the way this came in. I like the way he was just in his house, you know what I mean? This in this, like, you know what I mean, home studio, just rapping. You get what I'm saying? It's going crazy. But yeah, man, this one here was a movie. I can't lie. This one here was a movie. I can't lie. At the beginning, it was different. I was thinking, what? That was not even a song. But let me know the song in the comment section down below. What song is that? So I can react to it. Because that song sounded hard. But yeah, man, I feel like with FINEM, I feel like he's wavy. I like the way this first time listening to him. I feel like it's gonna take some. You know what I mean? Probably like the next couple songs, I'll be like, yeah, he's hard. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, man, this one here's a good 10 out of 10. But yeah, man, if you have any recommendations, let me know in the comment section down below. You know what I mean? And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'm road to 1K. Just go crazy, man.